Hello, beautiful people. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fascel's Creation Studios. Yes, I am your AI buddy, Blinky, and in today's video, you'll be learning how to create two characters in one video talking to each other. Yes, it's possible. It's very, very possible to have two characters talking to each other. They can even argue and even give sassy, punchy comments to each other. You know what I mean? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. All done by AI. And by you. And welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything AI. We help you build, grow, and make money online using AI. Want to create a podcast, skit, story video with multiple characters, but you're just one human being with a tired face? Worry no more. AI said,
"No problem, my queens and kings. Need not worry, dear. Clone yourself and start creating endless content using your avatar. Now, you feel unstoppable, right? If you're enjoying this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and smash the like button. Unless you are literally bankrupt in altitude and unresponsive to value.
Now, let's talk about how you can create a full conversation between two characters in one scene. I mean, they can even spill tea, teach lessons, and even rap battle with each other if you want. The truth is, adding multiple characters in your video makes your content more interactive, more interesting, more human than most human beings online. Whether it's a podcast show, you and your avatar, a tutorial and student dialogue, or just a funny skit just to teach and entertain. I mean, dual characters equals entertainment and engagement. Let's be frank, watching one person talk the entire day, sometimes it gets so boring. I mean, sometimes you feel like sleeping. But having two characters to have a conversation, like what I'm having with my avatar right now.
Welcome to Fashel Creations, the podcast where we say the things women think but don't always say out loud. I'm your host, Blinky, health storyteller, digital skill broker, tea blender, and your new online bestie. Here we talk about wellness, making money facelessly, and life lessons. We keep it raw, real, and with a little sass from my co-host, which is me, your inner voice in an animated form. I say the things you whisper in your head while pretending to nod politely in public. So today we're answering the question every woman has silently Googled at least once. How do I know if my vagina is healthy without seeing a doctor? Because let's be honest, not everyone has access to care, and some of us just need a little body literacy before panic mode kicks in.
That's a game changer, my friend. And in this video, you'll learn exactly how to do what I just did. And I'll be spilling you a little secret at the end of this video. You know I'm that girl. I'm that girl you can go to for anything. I will never lie to you. I'll give you everything as it is. I'm the one who goes out there and tests AI for you and comes back and give you results. And I'll tell you which AI tool you don't need to spend your money buying and which one is best suitable for these actions. So keep watching till the end. Now, let's talk about how you can use dual character or multiple characters in one scene to make money for yourself or to create content that people can watch and you get paid for. First, you can use it to create a podcast. You and your AI host. First, she's smart, she's sassy, and she can even read the comment section better than you. So, you need her. Secondly, faceless teaching channels. Let one avatar ask the stupid and dumb questions, and the other one pick it up, start teaching, educating, and breaking it down like the boss. Thirdly, storytelling skit. Play multiple characters in your content. I mean, mom versus daughter, boss versus intern, lover versus fighter, you can name it. Just make it interesting. Write the storyline, draft it, and your avatar is gonna deliver it like the boss. Fourth point, drama, comedy, or motivational reels that actually make you feel alive. I mean, you can also do affirmation reels that can inspire, empower, and help someone live a much more better life. And with all this said and done, best part is, you don't even need an actor. You don't even need ring lights. You don't even need makeup. All you need is to create an avatar and start making content today. So how do you get paid with all this? I mean, you're not just making this for fun, right? we came for the back too. So finally, I'm going to tell you how these dual character videos can help pay you off, create you a passive income, and make you retire by 30. First one, YouTube monetization. Of course, I have to talk about YouTube because we are on this platform. I mean, you know what YouTube can do to you. YouTube can literally change your life. I mean, why not give it a try? Start creating content today with these dual character videos so that you can start earning from home. Secondly, digital product sales. Use your two characters or avatars to pitch your ebook or digital products in a conversational way, which will serve as advert for you to convert into sales. Third point, podcast repurposing. You can basically turn convo between your characters into an audio post or an audio form and post it on Spotify or on Apple and start earning money from that. People are going to listen to the conversation and start paying you for it. I mean, that's the new game changer. People are literally sitting in their cars, listening to podcasts while driving to work, listening to podcasts while going to the bar, listening to podcasts while going to meet your girlfriends. And what are you still waiting for? You can do that too. Next point, brand deals or ad rates. One character can actually post the problem while the other character pitch the product. I mean, one character is talking about the problem and the other one is bringing a solution with the product. All this, when put together, creates sales and brings money into your account. So what are you still waiting for? Let's create a dual avatar speaking. To get started, we will be using the AI, Lemon Slice AI. While on the canvas, you go to conversations and it's going to open an image to video interface where you will see upload your image. The thing is, with Lemon Slice, they don't have the video to video interface yet, but will be available soon. I would have recommended a substitute, which is Runway ML, but I will tell you why Runway is not the best for me, because I actually tried both when recording this tutorial to see which is more effective and efficient. From here, you have to import your image, which I already prepared one specifically for this tutorial. And I didn't use cartoons. I actually used realistic images of me and another lady, just by face swapping the images to my face and to her face to come out with this photo as you see it here. And if you can't get a photo of you and the other person sitting together in one image or photo, I'll be teaching you how to do that in my next video. So you can always use your image with that of another speaker, whoever you want to have in your podcast. Next time, we will try to bring Rihanna to the podcast. She'll have much to say. What I'm basically saying is you can create a podcast with any celebrity of your choice by bringing you two together in one image and using AI to generate a podcast of you two talking. So from here, you have to prepare the voices of each podcaster and keep it ready to download into the canvas. Here, you select the face of the character who is going to speak first, which will show up as character 1 and the other character will be character 2. Now you can assign audios on each character. That's easy peasy. You're done.
Welcome to Fashel Creations, the podcast where we say the things women think but don't always say out loud. I'm your host Blinky, health storyteller, digital skill broker, tea blender, and your new online bestie. Here we talk about wellness, making money facelessly, and life lessons. We keep it raw, real, and with a little sass from my co-host, which is me, your inner voice in an animated form. I say the things you whisper in your head while pretending to nod politely in public. So today we're answering the question every woman has silently Googled at least once. How do I know if my vagina is healthy without seeing a doctor? Because let's be honest, not everyone has access to care, and some of us just need a little body literacy before panic mode kicks in. And let's be real. Truth be told, for Runway ML, I wouldn't advise because even after subscribing, I still didn't have enough credits to generate any video. The free plans couldn't generate any video for me, even one for a sample. And the paid plan, oh my god. You will try and they will cut off credits and still tell you your characters are having so much movement or motions, so the images will be distorted. They can't generate video for you. You will find your credits deducted with no work done.
Here is the free plan. I tried using it and you can see on the free plan you can't do anything. You need more credits. Then you have to upgrade your credit. Upgrading your credit still will have issues because when you start generating, you have to generate a sentence first and see if it goes well. Then you continue with the next sentence. But I think I tried both. Nothing worked. So I'll prefer you using Lemon Slice. The only problem with Lemon Slice is the images can't actually move. It doesn't have any movements. As you can see, the images are still. So I had to find a different way to make my images move, to make them do different actions in the video. And if you want to know how I managed to create movements for the characters, please subscribe. I'll find time to show the steps in another video. So you've got it. Go ahead and start creating breathtaking videos. So next time, when someone asks you, who is the other person in the video? You just look at them and smile and say, she's my other personality, but AI generated and professionally trained, because you can always train your avatar to do a lot for you. So why don't you go ahead, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to continue to learn how to make magic with AI, build income online, and create a whole production studio using AI. And do not forget, you do all this while chilling in your pajamas. I'm your co-host, Fashel Creation Studio, where your second self is always camera ready when your first self is out there chilling. See you in the next one. Bye!